When you get hold of the Nintendo Entertainment System. When you master Rob the Video Robot. And meet the challenge of Gyromite. When you shoot the light-sensing Zapper. When you play the system with so many arcade hits. You're playing with power. The Nintendo Entertainment System Deluxe Set. Batteries not included. Super Mario Brothers and other games sold separately.
Mario! Mario! Mario!
Super Mario. 1, 2, and 3. There's power in numbers. Nintendo. Now you're playing with power. Each game sold separately.
The Power Glove for your Nintendo Entertainment System. Now you and the games are one. Everything else is child's play.
Ultra's improved your favorite arcade game. First, we added 2 new levels, then packed it with bigger, stronger enemies, and a ton of extra foot soldiers. Next, we punched up the action with knockout new attack moves and crime-fighting scenes like the Ninja Castle. If that doesn't swell your shell, we made one more small adjustment. Introducing the new Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles arcade game, today's biggest hit. For your NES. Free personal pan pizza coupon from Pizza Hut.
What's it like to play the Nintendo Entertainment System? The Nintendo Entertainment System. Now, playing with power.
Watch out for the guy. Right.
The boy, where is he?
Hey, here we go. Mark to the dance floor. Mom, ever heard of noise?
Star Wars, a force stronger than your parents doesn't want.
Mario! Mario!
Croeso i'r stream. Heddiw byddwn ni'n parhau gyda Day of the Tentacle. Felly, i lan i 70% erbyn hyn. So, gobeithio ni'n agos-ish i orffen. Helpu os chi'n cael yr audio'r game. Felly, ie, ni ar 70%. Gawn ni weld nawr beth mae Dr. Fred gyda I ddweud.
Okay, so read it first. I'm busy trying to think of a way to save humanity. I don't have time to read. Now leave me alone.
Okay.
Will you please sign this contract? I don't sign things I haven't read.
Okay.
But the whole human race is at risk. Of course! That's why I'm busy trying to think of a way to save it. I don't have time to read. Now leave me alone.
Right. Well ti fi edrych arno fe wrth siarad. Ni sefyll fanna.
Will you please sign this contract? I don't sign things I haven't read.
Pam yn sefyll tu ôl I fe?
Sign it or I'll get real mad. And do what? Not be my friend anymore? Ha ha ha.
Oh dear. Okay.
Will you please sign this contract? I don't sign things I haven't read. Oh, forget it. I'll get rid of Purple Tentacle myself. Oh, yeah? How? I'm starting up a petition to ban all tentacles.
Bydd hwnna'n cael ei arwyddo.
Wow! Where do I sign? Right here. Well, good luck.
So, nawr mae dy fi'r cytundeb yna wedi arwyddo. Ydw i... Tybed os... Rwy'n ffonio nhw fyny? Neu ifer pobl lan y grisiau dwi'n dangos y cytundeb i. IRS, sef y pobl fel trethu.
Is that a W390B frivolous spending report? No, it's another 561AB negative attention statement.
I'd rather not.
Ddim hwnna then. Okay. Oh. Na, dim byd mewn fyna. Na. Fi di bod mewn fan hyn, does dim byd o werth. Felly... O, un munud. Oes na? O, allweddi. Ha! O! Okay. Gawn ni gweld beth yw'r allweddi yma.
There's a whole lot of keys on here.
Okay, so... Beth gall yr allweddi yna agor? Dyna'r cwestiwn mawr. O! O! O, falle... car... Yeah, actually. Falle... Yeah, car yna. So, mae'r dyn yna yn trio dwy'n car yn dywe. So, bydd hwnna'n haws i ddefnyddio allweddi. Na... trio defnyddio crowbar.
Perhaps these are your keys.
Where? Gimme.
Gimme.
Hey, thanks, pal. Keep the crowbar.
Thank you, masked man.
What sort of person would carry around this many keys? It must be one of these.
So nawr... Oh yeah. So fi'n defnyddio'r crowbar i cael yr arian. A dwi'n gallu dad wneud...
Spearmint, my favorite.
A dwi'n gallu cael...
Not funny enough.
Fi'n cael e off, though. So fi'n mynd i... cael gwared o'r... Dwi'n siarad o fe eto.
Dr. Fred, what do we do now? We have to buy a diamond and plug it into the chronogram.
Prynawn da, Steffan. Sut mae'r hwyl? Beth oedd e'n just dweud, sorry.
Dr. Fred, what do we do now? We have to buy a diamond and plug it into the chronogram.
Oh! Ydy hwnna'n meddwl mae arian dy fi yn y cyfrif nawr? Just achos fi di arwyddo'r cytundeb na. Bach yn random. Ond, na I trio fe.
Couch Potato Shopping Channel, Wanda speaking.
I want to buy a diamond.
That will be $2 million. Do you have a major credit card?
I have a numbered Swiss bank account.
What's the number, sir?
It's 846-427-35327.
I'm sorry, the Credotron shows that account to be empty.
Ah, damn. Okay. So, dal ddim arian. Okay, beth am... Beth sydd â fi? Wel, fi'n credu mae'r... Guy yna... Ben Franklin.
It's already open.
Os fi'n rhoi... A dwi'n... Right. Os dwi'n gallu cael I cael cot fel y professor. Credu... Byddwn ni'n gallu cael Ben Franklin I wneud y thing battery a charger battery. Dyna'r logic fan hyn. So, fi angen dweud I helpu'r professor gynta.
What's this? Help wanted, moronic drone, assist genius, yada yada yada. Well, I'm the only genius around, and you look dumb enough. So pick up your lab coat and get to work.
Wait. So nawr mae dy fi'r lab coat. Bydd yr Ben Franklin yn meddwl o fi fel rhyw fath o professor neu rhywun sy'n neud stuff hanes. Yn ple mae fe? Ydy efo mewn fan hyn? Okay. Cool.
I got something good for you, mister. Mister.
Mr. Brainstorm? Yes, hand it over. Doesn't this belong to somebody?
Yeah, Red Edison.
Ah. I'm
Oh,
sorry,
mae'n
but the
neud
man has no vision.
kite allan
A
o fe.
lightweight, durable fabric like this going to waste down in his basement. When I'm done with it, it will fly.
Okay.
Eureka!
Barcud. Sorry,
The
Barcud.
all-season Francocopter, ready to make history.
So...
No, there's no fuse.
So, what do I light?
For the last time, you're not going to light anything. You just push it.
The whole time? How am I going to get up that high?
Listen, just wait for me to say the word now. Then push the kite into the air, all right?
I'm on you, lasagna.
I'm on your
Let's
lasagna.
hope so.
Pwy sy'n dweud hwnna? Right. Rocket. Dyna'n dweud rocket?
No.
Oh, pocket. Pocket.
Oops.
What part of the word now didn't you understand? Look, it's very simple. I say now, and you push the kite. Comprenez-vous?
Actually, I'd like to go think about it for a while.
I'll be here when you figure it out.
Right.
What a grouch.
Grouch. Dwi'n gallu pigo hwnna fyny?
Ready for another brush with destiny?
I'd rather mope around some more.
I'll be waiting.
I'll be ready. A dwi'n gallu pigo unrhyw beth fyny fan hyn? Na. Okay, beth... Oh. Oh, mae batri yma. So rhaid bod fi'n neud rhywbeth dy batri ar kite, ar barcud.
Sure, why not?
Sorry pawb. Os fi'n gwasgu spacebar mae fe'n neud hwnna. Felly, os dwi'n cymryd batri...
Now!
Wee!
Whee!
Hey!
She's handling kind of funny.
You got it. Just hang on there.
She's too heavy. I can't control her.
Hang on, Ben. Hang on.
Ie, mae Sam a Max yn dod allan fel remastered ar Steam hefyd. So... Hwna'n eitha cool. Os chi'n offi gemau pwynt a chlic.
Yeah. Say, can I see that kite for a second?
No, I'm taking it back to my lab in Philly right now so I can study the results. Wish me luck.
A mae di gollwng.
I never got your name.
It's Hoagie, sir.
Nice working with you, Hoagie. I promise to name an invention after you someday.
Gosh, thanks.
Hoagie. Right, so dyna ni battery. Cwestiwn yw... Ydyn ni'n rhoi'r battery syth yn y cronid, John?
Flush, my one chance of getting out of here? Yeah. Flush, my one chance of getting out of here? Flush, my one chance of getting out of here?
Battery gyda'r plug? Ooh. Oh yeah.
Whoa.
Cool. Dwi'n gallu just defnyddio fe nawr.
It's already open.
Okay. Beth sy'n wahanol?
It looks ready to go.
Right, rhaid fi wneud byd hi nawr. So... Mae'r plug mewn fan hyn. Na.
I can't.
Mae angen y crisial. Beth oedd e'n dweud? Peth olaf. I'll think.
Dr. Fred, what do we do now?
We have to buy a diamond and plug it into the chronogen.
Oh, un munud. Dwi'n gallu...
He doesn't want that.
Dwi'n gallu neud hwnna...
I'd rather not.
Sut dwi'n cael y gwm off yr arian? Dyna'r cwestiwn nawr. I'm quite unsure be fi fod yn neud. So, right. Unrhyw syniadau.
It's from George's Hardware. George says that every American should have a vacuum cleaner in their basement.
Right. Roi'r flyer mewn fanna. Swapio I hogi. Oh na, mae rhaid I hogi pigo fe fyny. Os mae na suggestion box. Yn yr adeilad yma, a mae flyer yn gallu ffitio mewn fe. Sy'n eitha logical. Decaf coffee, mae hwnna'n syniad da hefyd. O fi wedi defnyddio decaf coffee ar coffi ar Ed Edison. Felly fi ddim yn credu mae rhaid ni cyffwrdd â hwnna to. Right. Flyer.
Boy, it's sure quiet in here. I wonder if there might be any ideas worth discussing in the suggestion box. Maybe somebody should take a look.
Hoagie.
I say, lads, I have an idea.
Does it have anything to do with starting a fire?
No. I was thinking it's about time we open the suggestion box. Don't you agree?
Sure, George, if you say so.
Yes, whatever you think is fine.
Yes.
Excellent.
What's he thinking? No one of any importance has been here all
Byddwn ni
day.
wrth fy modd, fi wedi dweud y syniad yma o blaen ond creu point-and-click adventure Cymraeg. Neu just neud fel version o'r un o'r classics yma.
It says, George says that every American should have a vacuum cleaner in their basement.
Oh.
What do you think, gentlemen?
Whatever you say, George.
Your name's on it. I'm sure you must have a good reason for suggesting it.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's strange. I don't quite... Well, I'm sure I had a reason for it. If there are no objections, we shall add it to the Constitution immediately. No? Good. And so shall it be law.
What's a vacuum cleaner?
You suck. Okay, so mae hwnna wedi creu vacuum cleaner. I
can't. It's built in.
Alright.
Vacuum up mice? Maybe later.
Pam. Dwi angen neud hwnna then.
Hello, mice. Dim really unrhyw beth fanna. Adir? Nes ti... Oh! Nes i... Naeth e... rewi hamster. So rhaid bod modd cael y hamster na nôl yn y dyfodol. So, os ni'n mynd i'r frozen hamster, fantastic. Pigo hwnna fyny. Gwych.
bydd angen I fi roi fe yn y microwave. Dwi'n gallu cofio'r ffordd cywir I mynd. Ready? Fyna. Right. So dwi'n roi hamster. Oh, damn. Right. Woohoo!
Gosh, I hope
Ddim
this
eisiau
isn't
lladd
like
though.
the primitive, dangerous microwave ovens of my century. Those things could really pop a hamster good.
Oh! Cymryd y mas. Cymryd y mas lan. Agor y drwy... Oh, perfect.
That was fun, but only because this is the 22nd century. You see, kids who put hamsters in microwaves back where I'm from get taken away from their parents and put up for adoption. So don't do it.
Mae hwnna'n cyngor dda I bawb sy'n gwylio. Peidiwch a roi bochdew yn y microdon. So yeah, ni gyd wedi dysgu rhywbeth heddiw. Right, mae fi ffeindio ffordd o cael y gwm cnoi. Beth fi'n mynd I wneud gyda'r gwm cnoi? Fi angen cael yr off. Oh. Achos mae yna dyn tew yn eistedd ar sweater. O, tybed os ni'n rhoi... Oh my gosh. Oh, mae hwnna'n gross. Oh, yuck. Oedd hwnna'n fluke. Right. Achos o'n I ddim wedi trio gwasgu hwnna. Whee! So, pigo fyny sweater.
Ew, it's soaking wet.
Be fi'n gallu neud i'r boi yma? Unrhyw beth?
A hymn? Late night? Well, never mind.
Mae ddim yn mynd I siarad. Okay, oes yna rhywbeth fan hyn? Na. Dim byd ni heb trio eto. Nawr. Beth sydd gen ni? Hey Emrys, siwmai, sut mae'r hwyl? Ni wedi... Ni dros 70% nawr o'r gêm yma, so ni ar fel y final furlong. Furlough? Furlong. Ddim furlough, paid sôn am furloughs.
That won't fit in there.
Huh?
That won't fit in there.
Okay, so sut yn mynd I wneud yn llai? O! Fi'n gwybod. Fi'n gwybod sut mae fy ngwraig yn wneud I fy dillad mynd yn llai. Grace. So, os gen I ddim arian nawr ddo, fi ddim credu bydd yn gweithio heb arian. Na, mae ddim mynd I wneud.
It's a coin op.
Ah, damn.
You put quarters into the dryer there.
Ble fi'n cael arian o? Fi di defnyddio'r... damn. Cael think, ble fi'n mynd I cael... Os gyda nhw arian? Na. Felly... Na.
Remove specimen here.
Just I chi gael gwybod Steffan a Emrys, mae session Among Us nos fori. So, os ti o gwmpas a chi'n game i chwarae, gaf i gwybod achos gafon ni lot o hwyl trwy diwetha. Ble fi'n mynd i ffeindio arian? Gyda hi rhywbeth ma... so gaf i gwybod achos bydd yn cool i gallu cael hwnna. Felly, fi ddim siŵr fi'n mynd i wneud... Felly... Mae'r hamster yn rhywbeth fi'n credu bendant dwi angen edrych ar. Fi ddim yn siŵr sut fi'n mynd i wneud e. Right. Be sydd da pawb? Bochdew. Un munud. Ble mae... Ti'n fel hamster wheel y bit yma falle.
He won't run, he just shivers.
Okay. So fe'n neud e. Beth? A dwi'n gallu signo...
I don't do housework.
Okay. Gyda'r twll?
Vacuum up mice? Maybe later. I can't. It's built in. It has a door on the side.
Hatch. Oh. A dwi'n rhoi fe mewn fanna. Right. Can you write it on?
Nah.
Oh, okay. Dwi'n llygod him.
I think not.
Right, meddwl yn logical fan hyn. Beth dwi'n rhoi mewn fanna... Okay, beth yw hwnna then?
That's how you empty the vacuum cleaner, I guess.
Okay. Okay, sdim angen hwnna eto te. So ar ôl...
I can't. It's built in. Looks abandoned. I can't fit in there.
Right, fi'n colli rhywbeth fan hyn. Fi'n quite...
It's the same generator that was in Dr. Fred's lab.
Ydw i'n defnyddio hwn?
I don't do housework.
Fi'n cynhesu'r hamster yma. Rwsut. mwyn I fe redeg fan hyn. Oh, beth I... Fi ddim yn gallu...
I can't. It's built in.
Oni bai bod fi'n rhoi e mas ar yr olwyn.
He won't run. He just shivers.
Wedyn, defnyddio hwnna.
I don't do housework.
Gwasgu fe. Troi ar. Angen sachu y bochdaw, ie. Ie, ond... Mae hwn kind of use generator with built-in...
I don't do housework. I can't. It's built in.
Ie, sut fi'n mynd I sachu fe?
I think not.
Alright, gwell I fi cymryd te. A ffeindio lleoliad arall. Bydd vacuum clean yn handi I defnyddio arno fe, ond fi ddim quite yn siŵr. Pan fi'n trio wneud hwnna...
I don't do housework.
Mae'n dweud na. Oes na rhywbeth lan grisiau? O, ydyn nhw... Na, ydyn nhw'n go iawn?
Nah.
Oh, dyna wedi bod yn cool. Oes na air yn dod allan o'r vent lan star. Ie, falle. Falle. Dim o fan hyn. O ddim fe eto. Rwy'n hoffi sut ti'n meddwl, Steph. Ddim yn gallu gweld unrhyw beth amlwg.
I can't. It's behind the glass.
Ond mae vent yn ffordd... Ie, bydd hwnna'n ffantastig. Ie, bydd e ddim... So, dwi'n tybio, mae'r hamster yma ddim yn mynd I symud heb cael ei sychu. Ond... O, eithon ni lafon hyn. Mae ddim yn gadael fi just defnyddio hwn a signo'r dŵr bant. So, boxes.
I'm not interested in tentacle junk. It's beyond repair.
Alright. O, oes na rhywbeth yn yr inventory? Boo will be gone. Fork. Bydd towel. Oes na towel yma? Bydd hwnna'n handi. Cael rhyw fath o towel. Oh.
Lieutenant.
Oh, wait a
I'm
minute.
glad you're here. What kept you?
Oh, mae na dryer,
Well, I
se.
hate to say it, sir, but there was some trouble with one of the humans.
Ah, mae tumble
What
dryer.
sort of trouble?
Fi'n siŵr
Nothing
mae
I
na
couldn't handle, but I
tumble
noticed
dryer.
something about the humans that may pose a problem.
Do continue.
Well, sir, in general, they seem to be a bit larger than us tentacles. You know,
Yeah.
taller, heftier, more massive.
I get the picture, son.
I don't mean to carry on, sir. It's just that it makes me feel inadequate, small, inferior, out of...
Before you go off
Small
the
man
deep end,
syndrome.
Let me tell you why I
Ti'n
called
gyda
you.
fe.
You see, I've invented something which will end our troubles with those glandular leg walkers for good. I've invented the diminuator.
The what?
It's a shrinking ray, Dolt.
Oh, I get it.
Now I need you to get me a few parts so I can finish the thing. Come over here.
Okay, recyclotron. Microwave. So mae yna microwave. Fi methu rhoi yn nôl fan hyn, ydw i? Achos bydd e'n... Dwi'n gallu defnyddio fe eto, falle.
I've already thawed him out.
Na.
Besides, he won't let me insert the meat thermometer.
Okay. Y dryer fan hyn. A dwi'n rhoi hamster mewn hefyd.
Nah.
Okay. A dwi'n pigo fyny'r sweater.
Not my size.
Ah. Rwy'r hamster gyda'r sweater.
It's way too big for him.
Okay. So, fi angen shrinko fe. A dwi'n...
Whee! Nah.
I'm just gonna re-random now.
Nah. I don't think so.
No.
Nah, that might be useful.
Yeah. Oh, beth os then? Beth yw hwn?
I'm not putting anything in there.
Oh, come on. O, dwi'n gallu sychu fe ar y to, falle. O, dyna chi syniad. I roi e? Na. Ydw i'n gallu roi e ar fel y thing banner? Right. Felly... Oh. Right. Dyna chi rhywbeth. So mae angen arian I gallu defnyddio'r y dryer. Felly oedd na sy'n mynd fyny. Mae dal crowbar da fi fi'n credu. Yep. So fi'n gallu... Mae yna vending machine, so fi'n gallu dwy'n... So fi angen lleihau siwmper i'r bochdew, Ond fi angen neud hwnna trwy defnyddio'r dryer. A mae angen arian. So, os fi'n dwy'n yr arian o fan hyn, bydd digon o arian dy fi wedyn I defnyddio'r dryer. Wei, dyna ni. Sut fi'n cael nhw I gyd, fi dwi'n gwybod. Just
1968. 1974.
Wow. So...
Ooh, 1977.
Un o bob un achos ni rhwng y tri cyfnod. Okay. Right, so nawr mae arian gyda ni. Mae'n meddwl... Byddai'n gallu rannu'r arian gyda'r gweddill y criw. Ac enwedig Laverne, achos hi sydd angen...
That won't fit in there.
Beth? O na, mae hwnna'n meddwl... Mae rhaid I fi wneud o fan hyn. Ydw i'n gallu...
I figure this is about $876,600 worth of quarters.
Dim ond un dwi angen. Okay.
It doesn't seem to open.
Hwnna'n meddwl fi angen y siwmper nôl yn dydw I. Achos bu rhaid I fi wneud o ochr yma. So... man. Right. So, os dwi'n... mynd i'r... O, mae'r Chronojon hi tu fas yn dwi. So, angen mynd mas fan hyn. Mynd i'r tŷ bach.
There's nothing to get.
O fi angen rhoi yr arian fan hyn.
That won't fit in there.
O na, fi angen rhoi siwmper ydw i. Come on, canolbwyntio. So mae hi angen pasio'r siwmper. O, fi angen mynd nôl mewn i nôl y siwmper. Flip. Just ddim yn meddwl. Achos nes i roi yn... Right, trwy fan hyn. Dwi'n credu. Angen nôl. Pigo fyny'r siwmper nawr. So...
Not my size.
Okay. Fi angen y arian then. Ond, dwi ddim yn gallu rhoi...
That won't fit in there.
Toilet.
That won't fit in there.
Be fi fod yn neud?
I'm not so sure that's a good idea.
Bron yna. Bron yna. Shit. A dwi jyst yn nôl un quarter. Nid... Fi ddim angen yr holl shebang. Fi jyst angen... thing, so... Oh, gosh. Unless... A ma' bach yn nuts, though. Ti'n gallu defnyddio... Os fi'n defnyddio'r chwarteri yn y gorffennol, bydd e dal yn gweithio yr un amser ond yn y parallel universe yn y dyfodol. So... Os fi'n rhoi hwn... Achos yr un peiriant yw e. Dyna yw'r logic pawb. Siwmper dal y peiriant... Ie. Ie, fi'n gwybod, ond fi'n credu... Ie, fi'n credu ma pethau yn newid. Achos mae hwn tu ôl i'r amser. Edrych. Bydd e'n newid beth sy'n digwydd.
Whew.
Yn y doi byd. Sy'n bach yn wacky a nutty, achos os ti'n rhoi rhywbeth yn y dyfodol, dylai e ddim troi fyny yn y presennol. Sorry, ni mewn i quantum leap scenario fan hyn, fi'n credu. Right. So mae hwnna'n troi. Ydy hwnna'n meddwl... okay. O, mae hwnna'n neud synwyr te fyna. Ond mae hwnna'n weird sut mae'r dryer gyda'r un item mewn yn y dwy byd. A parallel zones. Ond dyma'r game. So nawr mae gyda ni siwmper tiny bach. Fi'n gallu rhoi e i'r bochdew. So mae fe'n... So fe'n sychu ac yn dwym.
This ought to warm him up.
Aha, a nawr ni'n gallu mynd... Ni'n gallu mynd lawr i'r basement i roi ar y generadur sy'n mynd i gweithio'r Chronojon. So oh wow. mor random. Mae just wedi gorffan redeg. Oh god. Right. So, os ni'n
I
defnyddio...
can't. It's built in.
Defnyddio hwnna ar y twll. Cael e allan. Yay! Sneaky ond yw e. Trio twyllo fi. Right, nawr agor y hatch. Cymryd e. A roi e nôl fan hyn.
Well?
Yay!
Look at that sucker go. He just keeps running and running and running.
Okay. So surely ni di neud e nawr, ni gallu mynd nôl mewn amser. So mynd mas o fan hyn. Yeah. So mae'r Chronojon y ddoi nawr yn gweithio. Yeah. Go!
Well, I'm
Oh,
all
no,
ready
no,
to
mae
go,
angen y
but I
diamond.
guess I have to wait for Bernard and Hoagie.
Okay. Mae Hoagie'n barod. Just roi e yn y lle cywir. O na, mae Chronojon tu fas yn dywe. Okay. Ni'n mynd draw fan hyn. So le os maen nhw gyd yn agos, bydd nhw'n barod i fynd mewn pam mae'r crisial yna. Felly ydyn nhw'n gallu... Na. Beth mae fe'n dweud?
It's already open. It looks ready to go.
So, dim on nawr. Just angen e... So, mae fe wedi arwyddo'r cytundeb.
The party of the first part shall hereby be known as a crazed maniacal genius.
Right, so hwnna Maniac Mansion rights. Right. Question yw, sut ydyn ni'n cael diamond achos... fi ddim siŵr nawr. Felly, ni angen prynu'r diamond. Ond pob tro dwi'n pigo fyny'r ffôn, maen nhw'n dweud sdim arian yn account. Mae dy fi... Just ddim option i just mynd i'r bank, oes e? Oh my god. Okay.
I better not. My scoutmaster warned me to be careful. Not funny enough. I'd rather not.
So, dwi'n edrych yn happy. Ni ar y pwynt yna nawr lle ni ddim yn gallu meddwl, so ni just yn
I'd
trio
rather not.
popeth
I'm
gyda
not
pop
so sure
arall.
that's a good idea.
Oh. Ooh. Okay. So mae gyda ni amlen nawr a stamp. So os ni'n danfon hwnna fan hyn.
It's no use. We've already missed the deadline.
Okay. Beth os then? Fi'n mynd nôl mewn amser. A danfon nes, so... Beth hwnna I cyfnod hogi? Pa'n neud hwnna? Right, mynd I cyfnod hogi. Falle. Dyna'r workaround gorau dwi'n credu. Sorry, beth chi'n dweud? Right. So, os ni'n mynd I hwn, roi y cytundeb fyna, cael hogi I pigo fe fyny, roi e yn y post, blwch post, ddim fel yna, roi yn y blwch postio, bubble bubble. Ac yna... O, na, fyna. Ti fas. Dam. Wee. Perffaith. So bydd lot o arian dy fe nawr.
Yes, what do you want?
Hi there. Is this Dr. Fred Edison?
Who did you think you called? Dr. Spock? Look, I don't have all day.
This is
Diolch,
Steph.
Steph, am
I just discovered your contract among some very
dod
old
draw.
files, and well, our
Digon
lawyers say
teg.
that we have to pay you
Byddai'n
$2
gorffen mewn 4
million
munud nawr,
in
just
royalties.
un tan dau heddiw.
For the use of your family in the Maniac
Ond-
Mansion video game.
What?
Mino, os ti ar gael, dewch draw a mino gyda ni yn Among Us. Ni eisiau trio cael 10 person fori, so bydd e'n awesome os ti'n gallu ymuno gyda ni nos fori. Dechrau hanner wedi 7
Travel agent, this is an emergency.
a chwarter wedi 7-ish neidio ar a setio pethau fyny. So diolch Steffan. A gwelch I Cymbo hir. Right, nawr.
Wow, Dr. Fred's rich.
Yay! Mae wedi gweithio. Felly, nawr mae arian yn y banc. Ni'n gallu prynu'r diamond sy'n mynd I... Hello? Right.
Couch Potato Shopping Channel, Wanda speaking.
I want to buy a diamond.
That will be $2 million. Do you have a major credit card?
I have a numbered Swiss bank account.
What's the number, sir?
It's 846-427-35327.
Very good, sir. We'll send the diamond by pronto post lightspeed delivery immediately. Thank you for calling.
Gwych.
Now that's service. I better get this to Dr. Fred right away.
Awesome.
That should do it. Where did you get this diamond anyway? It was donated by a group of Girl Scouts who were in the neighborhood. How heartwarming. According to my
As if.
instruments, everything is in readiness. Your friends have activated their units, so it's time to throw the switch. Great.
Yay. Oh god.
Hoagie! I'm so happy to...
Hi!
Laverne!
Yay.
Wow! I'm so glad you two made it back okay. I hate to interrupt, but there's no time to lose. Now that you're back, we've got to proceed with the original plan and send you back to yesterday to turn off the Sledge-O-Matic.
Huh?
Say what?
Now hold on a minute, Dr. Fred. They just barely made it back to our time alive, and I think...
Uh-oh.
You can't turn off the machine if I get there first.
guys. This time I know I can stop him.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
I guess we better do something.
Let's go.
No, wait! You can't all go in the same stall. Didn't you see the fly?
Uh-oh. Oh, nah. Oh, hold on, gross. Oh,
We're some kind of monster, dudes.
oh, funny.
Great. Stuck here the rest of my life, listening to Bernard talking and watching Hoagie eat. Mom warned me there'd be days like this.
Now, wait just a minute. It's Green Tentacle. What was that, Green? What?
I believe he's trying to warn you about me.
Oh.
We're going to turn off the sludge-o-matic and defeat your evil plan, overgrown worm.
You sorry lot are no match for me.
But there's 3 of us. Well, sort of.
Nevertheless, I mean to crush you.
Yeah?
You and what army?
Why, this army, of course.
Oh my gosh. Beth ma wedi wneud.
Yikes.
You see, I've been busy. These are all versions of myself from the future. I've been bringing them back here using the chronojob. Together, we will conquer the world. You 10 there.
Oh god.
Go to the basement and guard the sludge-o-matic.
Uh-oh.
No one is to touch the sludge-o-matic. Now, creature, I must decide what excruciating tortures to leave them to me. I've been itching for a chance to test out my newly completed diminuator.
Uh-oh.
Excuse me. Us.
All right, the rest of you come with me. Next stop, the world.
What do we do now?
Whoa.
It wears off.
Uh-oh.
Aha.
Run for it!
Damn. The battery must not have had time to recharge, but it will.
Shh! Maybe he won't find us.
Oh, come on.
You, where are you, human?
Ddim yn cuddio'n ddal iawn, ydyn nhw?
Aha.
Uh-oh.
Take that.
Uh-oh.
And this. Drat. Perhaps if I readjust the static phrase dynamo again.
Cuddio? Okay. Ooh. Fi jyst taflu pêl atyn nhw.
Hey! Where'd he go?
Nhw gyd tu fas? O, dwi'n gallu helpu fe gynta.
We better not move him. We better not move him. We better not move him. Green, are you okay?
Take my dick off!
Huh? I think he'll be okay here for now.
Ble mae'r holl fyddin o pobl drwg wedi mynd? Na. Rhaid bod nhw lan y grisiau te. Ydyn nhw ar y to? Na. Mae fan hyn.
This door appears to be locked.
O fan hyn. Just trio popeth nawr. Just I ffeindio nhw eto. Na. Oh! Oh no, funny. Rych maen nhw just fel deg pin. Bowlio deg pin. Bowlio deg. Oh yeah.
Great! Now we can turn off the machine and prevent all this tentacle mayhem from ever happening.
Uh-oh.
Well, I'm certainly glad that's over with.
Yeah, let's get out of here.
Leaving so soon? We haven't had the chance to get to know one another.
Oh, they matter.
You humans are so short-sighted. Ha 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 ha!
Eek!
Run all you like, you insignificant insect. Ha 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 ha! You can't stop me.
Just what is it you have against humans anyway?
Humans are our oppressors. They made us live in this horrible motel. They created us in ungainly forms, so we could not rise against them. Try walking around with your legs tied together and glue on your shoes. You'll see what I mean.
Sounds like that's all Dr. Fred's fault, really.
I suppose you're right about that. I didn't start out hating all humans, just Dr. Fred.
Yeah.
You're pretty handy with that ray gun.
Center of the forehead every time. Would you like a demonstration?
Why don't you zap Dr. Fred if you hate him so much?
Perhaps that would be entertaining.
Yeah. Yeah.
Drat.
Surely we can talk this out.
Let's make it Dr. Fred thing now, rhyw pen.
Surely.
Somebody reboundio.
Wait! You haven't heard the last of me. I'll be back, and the next time, the world and all its pimpling inhabitants shall be mine. All mine. All mine.
Okay, little fella. Mail this to Siberia.
Wow. Hooray! Woo!
Our work here is done. Now we can go home.
Epilogue.
Well, kiddies, it's been more fun than a jumpsuit full of weasels. Now, kindly get your freakish hide out of my home.
Please, Dr. Fred, you've got to get us out of this mess. We look terrible, and we can't buy clothes off the rack.
I'm getting sort of used to it. Maybe we could go on the talk show circuit.
Oh.
Help us, Dr. Edison. You're our only hope.
Oh, all right.
Light bulb.
Idiots! It seems you're not exactly the sideshow attraction you imagined. You're just three complete goofballs stuck in one suit of clothes.
Oh my gosh. Ma hwnna'n silly. Ni just yn yr un siwmpwr. Oh god. Oh.
Well, I'm glad that's taken care of. Looks like everything's back to normal.
So yeah. Oedd o'n game dda. Nes I joio hwnna. Nes I ddim... Oedd hwnna'n un o'r gemau ar restr fi I orffen. O'n I ddim di orffen fel plentyn. So yeah. Na, fe mae'r humor y gemau LucasArts yn ffynnu, a mae'r sgriptio yn eitha da hefyd. Yeah. Yeah, mae'n eitha... Mae fe'n fwy cartoony a goofy, fi'n credu yw'r gair, I gymharu gyda'r cyfres Broken Sword. Ond ie, fi'n eitha hoffi'r style. Fi'n dweud, ma nhw wedi dod ar Steam nawr. Wel, dwi'n chwarae hwn trwy'r Xbox Game PC Beta Pass. Felly, mae hwnna, hoffwn ni symud ymlaen at rhyw pwynt I Grim Fandango. A beth yw'r un arall? Oh, Full Throttle. Full Throttle. So, yeah. So, yeah, diolch am wylio. Fi wastad yn aros fan hyn os oes unrhyw beth fel extra neu Easter eggs neu rhywbeth diddorol yn y credits. For just Sam and Max appear courtesy of Steve Purcell. So Sam and Max yw'r un arall fi ddim di chwarae trwy eto. Felly, yeah. Gaf fi gwybod be chi'n meddwl am y gemau pwynt a chlic. A cofio mae Discord, channel Discord yn chwarae. Nos fori, sef yr unfed ar 10, bydden ni'n chwarae Among Us. So nos yn cymunedol, so os chi am ymuno gyda ni, gadael ni gwybod cyn y sesiwn, so ni'n gallu trefnu bod chi gyda'r gwybodaeth cywir. A dyna ni. Diolch yn fawr. So, gobeithio, fi ddim yn credu oedd yna unrhyw Easter eggs na dim byd. Hey, dyna ni. Right, so, yeah. Diolch am wylio a na I gweld chi nos fori ar gyfer Among Us. Os chi eisiau ymuno mewn, ffantastig. Neu byddwn ni yn cario ymlaen ar awr retro dydd Iau 1-2. Right. Pob hwyl. Gweld chi yn y stream nesa. Ta-ra.